Whatever diagrams that you create inside of diagrams.net is what you can import out directly inside of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as well. So to do that, you need to first install out an add-on onto your computer. So to do that, you need to go to the File menu, and then if you were to go around onto the Embed section, here you can see Microsoft Office is an option. So once you select this, what happens is that this page will pop up right here, and then it allows you to get that add-on. So you need to click on Get It Now, and it'll redirect you to another page where you get access to that add-on right there. So you can see that it is redirecting right here, and this is what you have. You do need to be signed in onto your Microsoft account for accessing this page. So be sure to do that if you haven't already signed in. So depending on which application you want to import out your diagrams in, like in Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, you need to go around and click that application. And it is trying to open up Word, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and click on Open right here, and it is opening up Microsoft Word right here, as you can see. And you can see that Draw.io is installed right here. Draw.io is diagrams.net after it got renamed. So Draw.io is the old name, while diagrams.net is the new name for the application. But for the plugin at the time of this recording, the name still remains as Draw.io. So once this is open, you can go around on to Insert as well and access Draw.io from over here as well, and you get the same option. So here you can see that there's the Draw.io text right here. Let me just delete it. So over here, you can see that you can pick a diagram file from one of these Cloud Drive accounts right here, or you can click on Pick Device File as well. And then from over here, you can select out a file that you want to import and click on Open, and you can see a preview of it right here. So once you're happy with the preview, you can click on Insert, and that is inserted over here, just like a picture, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and you can go around and adjust it out according to how you want. If you were to go to Draw.io right here, you can go around on to Pick Device File as well, and you can go around, select out another file such as this one, click on Open, and you can see the other file right here. Click on Insert, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around, and then just like with any other images, you can move it wherever you want, and you can see that it is transparent as well. So that is how you can directly embed out diagrams.net file inside of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.